Welcome from the Embedded World in Nuremberg. I am here at the HTC Embedded booth together with David Brook. He is Director of Sales and Marketing. Welcome.
Thank you, Carolina. It's nice to be with you.
What are you presenting at the show, David?
Well, the Embedded World Show is always a very important part of our calendar every year. We are a company who are focused very much on data in embedded IoT applications. So this is the perfect place for us to be. We are focused very much on data security and reliability. We supply products which deal with storage of data and communications of data. And all of the companies who visit here and take part in this show are going to be involved in the IoT. They care about embedded devices, they care about quality. So this really is a very important event for HCC.
It's very interesting. I have here you are targeting new markets this year, and could you please tell me more about it?
Yeah, sure. One market that has become very important recently in terms of networking and communications has been the car. Many people don't see the car traditionally as a software platform, but it is an area which now incorporates more software technology, incorporates more flash technology and more communications technology. And as I guess most people would understand, the car has to be a place where data is handled reliably and securely and with a very high quality approach to software. And these are really the key areas for HCC to bring our experience and knowledge from the aerospace markets, from the medical markets and from industrial control here in Germany in particular into car production, which now has become a real focus of security and reliability for software.
Those new markets mean for you also challenges, right?
Yes, very much so. Yeah, the technology which is now being adopted in automotive becomes more complex. Flash becomes dense and lower cost, and people start to adopt flash in very high densities, requiring complex software solutions. And also there have been a number of very high profile security breaches in car networks. And this is a real area of focus for HCC's network strategy, that we can take very high quality security for networking and we can make vehicles much more secure, much more reliable, and manufacturers can focus on developing their applications and not worrying about security or reliability of the underlying technology.
Well, thank you, David, for the insights in your company portfolio and for the update. And now over to you, Dave. Hi, Dave. Welcome.
Thank you.
Could you please tell me more about the importance of security in IoT devices?
Yeah, sure. I mean, IoT is something that is a new term, basically talking about everything that's connected to the internet. I mean, this has been going on for years and years, but more and more, as connectivity has grown and more types of devices being connected, security has become more and more of an issue. People have got concerned about who can see their data, the correctness of their data, and as a consequence, this has got a more and more complicated issue. Bandwidths have gone up, microcontroller power has gone up, the number of devices that can be connected has gone up, and therefore the security issues have just grown and grown exponentially, and the concerns of people using devices have grown with that.
Right. And you are presenting a new network solution at the show. Could you please tell me more about it?
Yeah, so I mean, in the past we've produced encryption modules. We focus on the very high quality of the code. We don't focus on the specific algorithms, they're sorted out by maths guys. But we're very concerned about the implementation, the quality of the implementation of the code related to this. And with this we produce security software such as our TLS, which uses the same encryption manager. And we've just recently added to that IPSec and OSEK support, which extends our ability to provide secure devices over the internet.
And what do you think? What is the major benefit of this solution for customers or developers?
Well, there's benefits for both developers and customers. I mean, the two, of course, are totally interlinked, but developers historically in the security area know about security and they know about their devices. What they don't do is very good practical implementations of code. There are well-proven methods for implementing code in very strong and fairly deterministic ways. I'd never say completely deterministic because software is software. But the aerospace industry, the nuclear industry, industrial safety industry all produce software in different ways than they've been doing recently in the security industry. And our focus here is to produce code of a much higher quality using those well-known methods to protect customers' data. So consumers get a much better level of security when they buy a product that contains our software.
This is very interesting. Thank you, Dave, for this interview and for the insights in your company portfolio.
You're very welcome. Thank you.